Hi everyone, it's Sam from 20Telly and today I'm going to show you how to create a system recording on FreePBX version 16. I'm using the official FreePBX distro with the most up-to-date system and stable modules as of the 1st of February 2023. So the first thing we need to do is log in by clicking on the FreePBX administration icon and filling in the administrator username and password. When you log in, you'll be presented with the dashboard page. We're going to go up to Admin, scroll down to System Recordings, and then click on Add Recording. We're then presented with a page of different options and things to fill in. If you're not too sure what each one means, there's a question mark that you can hover over and it will give you a brief description. So the first thing we need to do is name our system recording. I've got a ring group ready that I'm going to add this to, so I'm going to name mine Ring Group 321. And then underneath, just a brief description about what your recording is. So mine is calls are recorded. We then have our file list, which is currently empty because we haven't done anything yet. So if we look underneath, there's different ways of adding recordings. Now the first one is to upload. So if you have something already pre-recorded that you want to attach, just click the Browse button, browse your files, and then choose the correct one, and it will add it here. Or even easier, if you want to, you can drop the file into this box, which is what I'm going to do now. And as you can see, it's now put it in the file list and it gives you the option to play the recording. So if we do that here.
Calls may be recorded for training or monitoring purposes.
So this is really good being able to play back because then you can just make sure that you have chosen the correct file. So if we go underneath, let's see what else there is that we can do. So record in browser. So you can record something live on this page. I'm going to do this now just to show you how it works. So if I press the red record button, this is a test recording from Sam at 20Telly. So it gives you the option to play back the recording. So if we do that now, this is a test recording from Sam at 20Telly. So if you want to record it again, just press delete recording and start again. Or if you're happy with what you've done, press save recording. It will ask you to name this file. And then you can see it in your file list. And again, you can play back the message here. This is a test recording from Sam at 20Telly. And now that's done. So if we carry on down and see what else there is, record over extension. So you can use an internal or an external telephone number here. So if you have a phone provisioned on the system, you can put in your extension number. So for example, 2001, press the call button, it will ring your phone. You can create the recording over the phone and then hang up. Or alternatively, you can use your mobile number and it will do the same thing. Ring your phone, create the recording, hang up, and then it will save this here. So add system recording. So these are short recordings that are already on the system. So if we have a look at the drop down, there's lots of different ones to choose from. They're more useful if you have queues and an IVR. So if we go to the top, I'll just show you an example. So we have 1 for yes, 2 for no. So if I click on here, it automatically adds it to my file list. So if we press play,
press 1 for yes or 2 for no.
So that's already recorded for you. So if we carry on down, we have link to feature code. Now this is really good if you do have a phone provisioned on the system. You can use a short code such as *298 to dial in and change the recording on the fly. However, it does say not supported on compounded recordings. So if you do have more than one file that's playing one after the other, then you won't be able to use this shortcut. And then feature code password, so it will ask you for a password before being able to just log in and change that recording. And then finally convert to, so which file format do you want to use? It's currently set to WAV, so we'll leave it as it is. And that's everything on this page. So if we just click submit, it then does bring up a warning that says if you are doing media conversions, this can take a very long time. Is that okay? So it's just asking for permission to do that. So if we just press OK, Our system recording is now created. So now I want to add my system recording to my ring group. So if we go to Applications, scroll down to Ring Groups, Edit Ring Group, and then here you can see Announcement is currently set to None. Press the drop down and we can see our system recording there. So Ring Group 321, press Submit, and our system recording has now been added. So we've now created our system recording and added it to our ring group, and to apply all changes, press the Apply Config button in the top right hand corner. So that's everything we're going to cover today. If you found it useful, please like, comment, share. And if you want to see more like this, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.